Hi guys, in this video we know about how many bags of concrete do I need for a setting of 3 inches by 3 inches post. It means how much concrete is required for this post. Suppose you dig out the soil, this is your required hole for the setting of this post. This is diameter of hole and this is depth of the hole, and this one is post have size 3 inches into 3 inches, and this hole is filled with concrete material. This remain space is filled with concrete material. This one is concrete material, and you have to find out how much concrete is required to set this post measured in bag premix bags. It means how many premix bag you have required to fill this one. Now come to the topic. What is the size of post? Here size of post is 3 inches by 3 inches. And what is the height of post? Height of post should be 6 foot above the ground. 6 foot above the ground. And how we calculate the hole size in the soil? Hole size described about by diameter. And what is the diameter required for set of this post? The diameter should be 3 times the size of post, that is 3 inches. It means diameter is required is about 9 inches. It means you have required 9 inches diameter of hole for setting of this post. And how it should be deep? Depth of this hole should be 1 by 3 to the post height above the ground. 1 by 3 multiplied to 6, this will come about 2 feet. Here you have find the diameter of hole should be 9 inches and depth of hole should be 2 feet. And how much concrete here you require? First you find the volume. Volume V1 of hole size. How we calculate the volume of this hole size? Use the formula pi d square h divided by 4. This will come pi 3.14, and d is diameter, which is equal as 9 inches. If you convert 9 inches in feet, this will come 0.75 feet. Here 0.75 feet, 0.75 feet. And what is the height? You have find the height 2 foot, all divided by 4. This will come about 0.883 cubic feet. And what is the volume of this hole? This whole volume is about 0.883 cubic feet. And now we find what is the volume of this post. It take V2 of post, which is this one is square in shape. That is 3 inches into 3 inches. And what is the height of this post? This is depth of holes is equal as the depth of this post, that is about 2 feet. All convert 3 inches in feet. 3 inches in feet is equal as 0.25 feet. 0.25 into 0.25 into 2. This will come about 0.125 cubic feet. And what is the volume of this concrete material? If you subtract V2 from V1, it means if you want to calculate the volume of required concrete, this one, you can subtract the volume of post by the volume of hole size. Then you find the volume of concrete. Now come to the point, volume of required concrete. Volume of required concrete. It means you have to subtract V2 from V1. The V1 minus V2, it means you can find 0.883 minus 0.125. This will come about 0.753 cubic feet. And here in the portion, you have to calculate number of bags. It means you require 0.753 cubic feet of concrete to fill this hole, and you have to calculate this complete quantity in bags. Now come to the topic. 1 foot premix bag of concrete weight about 133. That's why the total weight is calculated by volume is multiplied to the density. This one is density and this one is the volume. If you multiply this 0.753 to 133, this will come about 100 pounds. It means you may require 100 pounds of concrete to fill this whole size. And your question is asked how many premix bag? One generally premix bag of fast setting concrete weight about 50 lb. How much weight? One bag of premix concrete, fast setting concrete, is weight about 50 lb. How many bags required? That's why number of bags. And total required concrete 100 lb is divided by 50. It means two bags of 50 lb fast setting concrete is required to fill this whole size, which is required to setting of this 3 inches by 3 inches post. Thank you.